welcome back to another episode of Hotel Fever.
Willis Beats.
What's up?
Why?
Let me make you come to the center.
Oh wow.
If I give you the remember,
Ooh yeah.
you come to the center. If I give you the remember,
I'm gonna make you sing my
let me
name.
make you come to the center.
Sing my
Oh wow.
If I give you the
I'm gonna
remember,
make you sing
Ooh
my
yeah.
you come to the center.
Sing my name.
If I give you the
I'm
remember,
gonna make you sing my
let me make you come to the center.
Sing my
Oh wow.
If I give you the
I'm
remember,
gonna make you sing
Ooh yeah.
you come to the center.
Sing my name.
If I give you the remember,
I wanna put this smile up on your face, baby. I feel follow you, go reach your gates, baby. I go turn my place into your place, baby. You sure you know? My baby, sure you know? So if I'm, maybe I want to marry, maybe I want.
Good morning everyone, it is day 2 in PNG. Today we are going to do some sightseeing and also check out the markets. So stay tuned, see ya.
Lo te singa le fatua o ie lo matu o matu te ni o ia I tu aso lo file fafta kia ni lo ana le fa fia mo matu o dei si falo la te o sa ni mula matu fa na mala na la fi fo ma na le tu o le tu ni ia la o file ni o mala o fa.
Now we're making our way downstairs to have breakfast. Come along and eat with us. We'll show you what it looks like. Here's what we had for breakfast.
And the must get set and ready go. Give you my heart, make you carry go. Tell them girl I'm your girlie, yo. Oh yeah. I want to feel it in my belly, yo. Follow the ladder to my heaven, oh. La 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 do. I give you my heart and soul. Your power overload. Are you ready? Sudre. I gon' make you sing my name. Sing my name. I gon' make you sing my name. Sing my name. I gon' make you sing my name. Sing my name. I gon' make you sing my name. Sing my name. Sing my name.
Here's Dad having his kolau, so that's new and orokoro. What are you having?
Coconut sausage, toast and bacon beef.
Baby, I want to marry you, baby. I must give you.
Get your life to see. This guy always doing the most. This is my real breakfast, guys. Yep. Don't judge. After breakfast, we are making our way out just to do a little bit of sightseeing to see where Dad went to school. Today, we are going to Ella Beach, Toki Market, Wagana. I'll stop talking so you guys can enjoy the music and also a bit of Papua New Guinea. A massive shout out to our brothers Levi and also our brother Charlie, Uncle John and the rest of the fams here are looking after us, so making sure that we have the best time here. And I know I said I'll stop talking, but to share a little bit more. And so nice to see my dad live his best life, you know, and the fact that we get to be here with them. Just really gutted that my other siblings, my nephew and nieces weren't able to be here with us. However, it's been a full circle moment for our family. Also, just to hear the amazing stories about Tamaitina, came on John Williams with other church ministers to bring the gospel here to PNG. I didn't get to meet Tamaitina hearing how much of an impact they left here and how many lives they touched. Praise God. We wouldn't be here if it wasn't for him, and my grandparents wouldn't have been able to do that without him. So all praises to him and for making this trip happen. To see where my three beautiful aunties, Auntie Sonese, Auntie Fuifui, and Auntie Lila were born. Truly grateful, and I'll stop talking now so you guys can enjoy the beautiful PNG.
And treating you like you was a star. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. And tonight I wanna be a lover. Hope you don't mind if I uncover your body parts, baby. Let me discover. I just wanna turn you on, and if night should turn to day, girl, we wake up next to each other. If you will allow me to go further, I promise I won't do you wrong. All the stars in the world could outshine us never. Because it's you and me forever. Never thought that I would feel the type of love that I have with you. You took the space from my heart.
My dad went to.
Told me that we'd see it through.
What is it, Dad? Which? Wow, that's so cool.
You and me forever. People search their whole lives for a love like ours. To be forever. You're a light in the dark, like the moon at night. There isn't a thing I don't know.
Police officer.
Oh,
He was used to be a police officer here in Kentucky.
yeah.
Every day I watch him.
So cool.
Hope you don't mind if I uncover your body parts, baby. Let me discover. I just wanna turn you on, and if night should turn to day, girl, we wake up next to each other. If you will allow me to go further, I promise I won't. Word up, cause I flip the script, there it is. Tonight I wanna be a lover. Hope you don't
So if you didn't know, there's no McDonald's in PNG, but they have Buffalo Burger. Check it out. So now we're heading back to our hotel to have lunch and also get some rest in before the fams come over for dinner. This is what we got from Buffalo Burger. We got 3 fish and chips combos. The whole tray in, and the cheeseburger. That's all.
This is the one you're talking about? Custable.
Yeah.
Oh, Uncle, where did you find
No, I actually bought them from the...
Oh.
Yeah, from the
Yeah,
market.
market.
Yeah,
You
so
were
you have to
very
put them, they get a little dry first.
Okay.
Yeah, and then you can have them.
Gosh.
And that's your...
Thank you.
Yeah, no.
Where did you get the coconut from?
Huh?
So here's us just chilling, catching up with Uncle John, and also it was so beautiful just to hear him share a few words of Tamais Hina's journey here, the time they came to serve.
When I say it, you feel like I'm emotional now. And your dad's coming. He represents the whole lot of them. You know, come to my house. Sweet. It's a big thing for me. It's okay. He's coming like it just. I think he just like complete. Yeah, so it's like really special. But the most important thing, where would I be without your grandfather? You see,
Praise God.
and all the other Keramas and the Orokolos and all of these people, where would they be? A blessing to me. That's for myself. That is, he's anointed. He's called. He's got a calling on his life, and for him to come like this. And we all have our callings, but to come like this, wow.
There's a place that I've been longing for. It's waiting there for me. So let's not let this moment pass. Just wanna feel your warm embrace again.
Tonight we have Brother Charlie and his little family, as well as Benson and Levy coming over for dinner and just to hang out with us.
A place that I know. Oh, won't you take me to that place that I call home?
Another thing that we do for fun in PNG, people like to chew. So they chew on these things called buai or ehere in Orokoro. I know, I know. We'll show you a little video on how to do it. Or if you're in the country and you want to try it, let me know.
This is how it looks from the outside, and this is how it looks from the inside. So this is called betel nuts, bois in pidgin, boitao in motu. So you just like eat it. And it goes with the mustard.
Wow.
This is the daka. We say vaga in motu. In the language, locals they like vaga. And then the kambang in pidgin, lime in English, ahu in the language. And in motu is you say ahu. Yeah. So this one.
Oh yeah.
And just goes like this.
I'll take a screenshot and send it on Messenger.
So this is how I was treated in the place. I was thinking, oh, he's mixing cocaine with these things.
Wow.
I know, right? So fancy. It's like you're in England and you're just like having this, and it's like, I just have this. Not stored away, but stowed away.
On the menu tonight, we are having Hawaiian pizzas, as well as some meat lovers. And our sissy Diane made some yummy kai kai tonight. We are having kumara with spinach and chicken, as well as beef supo on rice. So thanks for watching, everyone. We better let you go. We're gonna go have dinner and then more here for a new day tomorrow. Don't forget to stay tuned. Turn on that notification. See ya.
La 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 la.